to find a good school. Maybe I can help you. Really? How? You mean like your school? But it still depends upon your choice. You can tell your things that will encourage you to enroll here. Okay, go on.
Hey, Andy.
What?
Oh, meron kang in-introduce sa school? Tama ba? Ba't hindi mo introduce yung school namin? Ang school namin, malaking building, maraming facilities. At pwede kami bumili ng magagarang pa. Hindi ba?
Oo nga. Pagpasok mo sa school mo,